Have you ever gone mining in Minecraft and it gets really dark and you wish you could just press a button and turn everything to light? Well, you can with the full brightness toggle mod, and I'm gonna teach you how to download and install this mod for Minecraft 1.21.3, the new release of Minecraft. So stick around for this tutorial and to learn how to fix any issues you might have along the way. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Now, the first step to download and install the full brightness toggle mod is to click that second link in the description, which is actually a written guide on how to download and install this. But if you don't want to read through the whole guide, it's okay, guys. You don't have to read through this. This is only for those of you that prefer to read and look at the screenshots. But if you want to get straight to it, just go down to step 1 and click download. That is going to redirect you to the full brightness toggle mod page within CurseForge, where we're going to download the 1.21.3 version. Now, it doesn't matter which mod loader you're using, you're still going to download the same file. As you can see here, full brightness toggle mod, it's compatible with all the mod loaders at once, so that means you don't have to download a separate version, which you could just find the 1.21.3 and then hit the 3 dots in here and hit download file, and your download will begin within 5 seconds. Now, unfortunately, this is the mod that not a lot of servers will let you use, and they could actually ban you if they catch you using the full brightness toggle mod online unless you have permission from the owner. Now, how do you prevent that? Creating your own server. And actually, I managed to get you guys, for those of you that hurry up and use the first link in the description, 25% off your first server with Apex Hosting. I know Apex Hosting is a premium service and it's a service that a lot of people want to use, so I went ahead and got you 25% off for those of you that take advantage of that deal right now. You could create either a Java or a Bedrock server. Of course, you could add over 200 mod packs with just a click of a button. And if you do the math in there, these servers support more than 1,000 mods at once. So go ahead and add one of those mod packs if you want, or just play vanilla with your friends using that first link in the description. Something I personally love about Apex Hosting, besides them having like locations all around the world and stuff like that, is that you could actually create the server and then access the server console through your phone and still be able to change the server settings, kick people out, OP people, whatever you want to do, you could do so through your phone because it is your server after all. I'm gonna leave that first link in the description again for 25% off with Apex Hosting. And now let's keep going with the tutorial. And after a couple seconds, we should have the full brightness toggle mod downloaded. We're gonna go ahead and drag and drop it into our desktop. Now, if you read through the toggle mod description here on CurseForge or in our website, you will see that you need Collective. Collective is like a library of mods that will allow us to use the full brightness toggle mod without crashing, or actually will allow us to use the mod without any issues. If you don't download Collective, you won't be able to use the mod anyways. I'm gonna leave that third link in the description. It's gonna bring you right over here to Collective. You could also get here using our website. You could just click here on Collective and that'll also take you to the Collective page over here, where you're going to look for the 1.21.3 version of the mod, of course. And as you can see right here is the most recent one as of right now. So just click on these 3 dots and click download file. And again, within 5 seconds, we should have our file downloaded. And of course, just like we did before with the full brightness toggle mod, we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop this file into our desktop. And now at this point, if you already have some type of mod loader like Forge, Fabric, NeoForge, or Quilt, you could just go ahead and add these mods into your mods folder, and that's it. You're done with this video. You could close out from this video, and that's it. I'm assuming most of you don't actually have a mod loader, and that's why you're watching this video. And in this video specifically, we're going to install Forge 1.21.3 for Minecraft, which is then going to allow us to use the full brightness toggle mod into the game. Now, if you don't know how to do this, of course, I'm gonna guide you through the process. It's super simple. Click on the 4th link in the description or the link that says Forge in the description, and that is going to bring you to our guide on how to install Forge. But if you don't want to read through the whole thing, just scroll down to step 1 and click download Forge here. That is going to redirect you over here, where you're going to select the 1.21.3 file right here on the top left. Make sure you select the right version, and then you're gonna hit installer here on the main screen right here in the center. And after 5 seconds, it's very important that you wait 5 seconds in here. You're gonna see the skip button appear right on the top right. You're gonna go ahead and click it, and as you can see, your download will begin for Forge. Now, at this moment, we're almost ready, and I say we're almost ready because like 90% of you are ready, but another 10% of you is not ready, and you will see why I say that in a second. Let's go ahead and wait for Forge to finish downloading, and of course, once it's done, we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop it into our desktop just like so. There we go. Now, at this moment, it's time to install Forge. To do so, make sure you have closed your Minecraft game 1.21.3. Of course, you have to play the vanilla version of the game once before you actually install any mods. So make sure you close Minecraft 1.21.3 as well as your Minecraft launcher. Now, once you've done that, it's time to install Forge. All you have to do is double click on it and the Forge installer will open. And as you can see, install client will be selected automatically, and we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. If you hit OK, you will start installing Forge. Now, remember how I said that 10% of you weren't going to be ready? That 10% of you wasn't able to open the Forge installer either. That is because you need Java 21. This is not optional. This is a requirement now for installing any mod in Minecraft. The thing is that after Minecraft got updated to Minecraft 1.20.5, you now need Java 21 to install like mods like Forge, or to install a server, to install shaders, whatever you want to install in Minecraft. You now need Java 21 in your computer. So I'm gonna leave this guide in the description. It's super easy. You just hit download and then you just hit next a couple of times and you have Java installed in your computer. Again, this is a requirement, so I'm gonna leave that link in the description for you guys to update to Java 21. A lot of you will have an older version of Java. Some of you might not even have Java at all, and a lot of you will have Java 21 already because you've been installing stuff recently for Minecraft and stuff like that. But again, if you don't have Java Java 21 and you're having issues on this step, that's probably what's gonna fix it. Just go ahead and download Java right there on the description of this video and you're gonna be set. Anyways, once you install Forge, go ahead and hit OK in here, and you can now even delete Forge from your desktop, or at least the Forge installer, because we don't need it anymore. Now let's go ahead and add these mods into the game. To do so, launch your Minecraft launcher, and if you don't have the Minecraft launcher, just locate your installation folder for Minecraft. It's usually within the Windows hard drive on your computer, or if you're using a different launcher, just go ahead and open that launcher app and see if you can find the installation of Minecraft. If you're using the regular launcher, then it's extremely simple. Once you open the launcher, you're gonna see Forge selected here automatically because we just installed it. If that's not the case for you, you could head over to installations and make sure that modded is selected. As you can see, without modded, you actually won't see Forge in here. If that still doesn't bring it up, just click on new installation, name this whatever you want. Like for example, I'm gonna name mine Apex Hosting, and then on the version right here, you're going to type in Forge and you're going to select the latest one you install, which is 1.21.3. And then once that's done, you're gonna click create here on the bottom right. As you can see right there, there's a create button. You're gonna go ahead and create, and that is going to bring a Forge instance over here. Or whatever the case might be, even if you created Forge or if you found it here already, you're gonna open the installation folder of Minecraft like I was saying. And to do so, just hover over Forge and then click on this little folder right here. That is going to open a folder that contains a lot of files as well as a lot of folders. We're looking for a folder now called mods, M-O-D-S, and as you can see, my mods folder is here. But let's say that you didn't have the mods folder. I'm actually going to delete mine. If you didn't have the mods folder when you came over here, you could just click new right here on the top, hit folder, and then just name it mods, M-O-D-S. The mods folder is a folder that could be created by yourself. Now go ahead and open that mods folder app, and now all we have to do, guys, is drag and drop the collective mod as well as the full brightness toggle mod into here. Now if you're gonna play using any other mod, make sure that any other mod that you have in here, it's compatible with Minecraft 1.21.3, and also that it is compatible with the mod loader that you're using, in this case Forge. Okay, that is extremely important. Once you've done that, you could close out from this folder and now head back into your Minecraft launcher and launch the Minecraft game using the mod loader that you installed. In this case, it's Forge. I'm gonna go hit play. Click understand the risk. If you don't know what you're signing up for, it's pretty much saying that you're about to play modded Minecraft, and then you understand what you're doing. You could always read here where it says safety features, and now go ahead and hit play, and let's wait for the game to open. Now once the game opens, let's go ahead and test out that full brightness toggle mod. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and launch the world that I have in here, and I have one of my puppies in here, guys. Watch, this is Luna. She came for the video. I also have two more dogs. As you can see, there's one on the background right there. But anyways, so now let's go ahead and add the mod or test out if the mod is working. Once you open a world, all you have to do is now press the letter G on your keyboard, and as you can see, everything lights up. So we installed the full brightness toggle mod completely fine in the game. Now a lot of you use the X-ray mod, so if you're using the X-ray mod, this will actually work and you'll be able to see below the caves. As you can see, you'll be able to see all the way down there just by using the full brightness toggle mod. So again, press G on your keyboard and you'll be able to see everything. Anyways, guys, that has been it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe. That's all I ask in return, and as always, bye bye.